Okay, let's talk about the mean. Remember, mean is one of the measures of the central tendencies. It's very important. Okay, so the mean of a set of numbers, so x1, x2, x3 up to xn. Okay, so it's noted by x bar. So this one is the symbol for mean. So mean, so when you're given a set of numbers like this, asked to find the mean, is simply, so we have the sum of the items over the total number of the items. Okay, so when we're asked to find the mean of the following, so 1, 4, 2, 3, 5. Okay, so the mean of these numbers will be, so I'll sum them: 1 plus 4 plus 2 plus 3 plus 5 over the total number. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So over 5. Okay, so 1 plus 4 is 5, plus 2, 7, plus 3, 10, plus 5, 15. 15 on 5. So 15 on 5 is 3. So the mean of these numbers is 3. So in short, the mean is given by, so summation of the items over the total number. So this is the formula for that. Okay, all right, let's try this. Okay, let's find the mean of these numbers. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the mean is given by summation of the items over total number of items. So we have 37.2 plus, so let's put them together. Okay, so calculator, 37.5 plus 38.9 plus 34.5 plus 29.5 plus 30.7. So we have 171.1 over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5. Okay, so when divided by 5, it will give us 34.22. Okay, so that is the answer for this. So just go ahead and try this. So we have 40.2, 44.5, 50.7, 39, 39.6, and 58.4. So just try this, and then you can put the answer under the comment section below. All right, let's observe this question. Now the mean of the numbers 5, 2, 3, x and 9 is 4.8. Find x. So this one is very simple. So solution. Now remember mean. Okay, it's given by summation of the items over total number. All right, so the mean of the numbers here is 48. It means that the result is 4.8. That's the mean, is 4.8. And summation of x, so my summation of x here will be 5 plus 2 plus 3 plus x plus 9. So summation of x, we have 10, 19 plus x, and my n is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 19 plus x over n. So we have 4.8 times n. So n is what? 5. That is 4.8 times 5. So this side will be 4.8 times 5 equals 19 plus x. So we have 24 equals 19 plus x. Alright, so when we subtract 19 from 24, that would be x. Therefore, x is straight away 5. Okay, so this side is 5. 5 plus 5 plus 2 plus 3 plus 9 divided by 5 give us 4.8. That's the idea. Alright, so let's look at this question. Okay, so we are still under mean. The set of numbers x squared 3, 3x minus 4, 7, 9, where x is a positive integer, has a mean of 5. So find x. Okay, so remember mean is given by summation of x over total number. So the mean is what? 5. So we have 5 equals the summation of x. So we have x squared plus 3 plus 3x minus 4 plus 7 plus 9. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Okay, so as simple as that. 5 times 5 is 25. So we have x squared, so plus 3x, this and that minus 1, so 6, 15. Okay, so we have x squared plus 3x. All right, so we have 15 minus 25. So this side will be minus 10 equals to 0. Remember, x is a positive integer. It's a quadratic. So 5 to 10. Okay, and so we have minus 2, 5. So we have x squared plus 5x minus 2x minus 10 equal to 0. X out, x plus 5 minus 2 out, x plus 5, x minus 2, x plus 5 equal to 0. So equal this one to 0. So x is 2. And equate this one to 0, x will give you minus 5. Remember, x is positive. So we conclude that x equals 2. All right.